Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming Delta supports external keyboards and that pairing is active. Connect via Bluetooth or USB, then verify basic typing works in a text field. Once done, open the Delta app and load the ROM or controller profile you will use, because mapping depends on the active profile. Make sure to keep the keyboard connected through the entire mapping process. Disconnects force you to start over. This establishes the working environment, so mapping goes smoothly. You now map controls. Go to Delta's Input Mapping menu and choose the keyboard as your input device. Assign directions, primary and secondary action buttons, and a system/menu key. Pick spare keys for save states or screenshots. Once assigned, fine-tune repeat rate and debounce to prevent missed or double inputs, and configure modifier combos for combos or turbo. Make sure to test each mapping in a short play session, because the why is simple. Gameplay responsiveness depends on correct mapping and time. You finish by saving the mapping profile and choosing whether it's global or ROM specific, since you may want different layouts per game. Then run a full test session focusing on laggy inputs, rapid holds, and multi-key combos. Make adjustments to sensitivities and modifiers as you find problems. If things go wrong, make sure to repair the keyboard, fully restart Delta, and reload the saved profile. This simple restart often clears input conflicts. Finally, keep a backup of profiles for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.